Digital health will transform healthcare just like e-banking has transformed banking.
Digital health refers to the use of information technology, electronic communication tools, services and processes to deliver healthcare services or to facilitate better health.
Today there's increasing demands on health services. The population is aging, there's more chronic disease, things like diabetes and so on. And so doctors, nurses and the health system have got huge demands placed upon them. Canada Health Infoway is a not-for-profit organisation. We're funded by the federal government and we work with all the provincial governments to help improve digital access to care. We want the public to know about digital health, about what the benefits are that can bring them in terms of improved access to care and better access to their care providers. If you can use digital health to improve efficiency, to book appointments, to be able to look at your results online, to do an e-visit with your doctor and avoid some of those unnecessary visits, it can really help to improve not only your own health, but also helps the system because it makes it much more sustainable.
Canada Health Infoway is working with Health Canada to develop, operate and maintain the national e-prescribing service known as Prescribe It.
Prescribe It is an electronic system that will transmit a prescription from your doctor's office directly to the pharmacy system, and when you arrive at the pharmacy, the drug's already there for you to pick up.
So I'm just going to rephrase what one of my patients had said to me when we first introduced Prescribe It into my office. Wow, that was fast. Time is really important to me. It's really important to my front staff, but most importantly, it's important to my patients. And so if I can decrease the amount of time that I spend sending a prescription, that means with every patient, if that's 30 seconds, I get to see an extra 1 or 2 patients at the end of the day. In terms of effort, everything needs to be effortless, and this really makes it effortless. It's a one-button click to send off a prescription. In terms of utility, I think this is where Prescribe It shines. It has multiple functions beyond just sending a prescription. It allows for two-way clinical communication between my office and the pharmacy, allowing us to communicate about a patient and decreasing potential drug interactions as well as polypharmacy.
Prescribe It reduces time and effort and also provides data to prescribers and pharmacists to enable improved monitoring of prescriptions.
For example, I was able to see a dispense notification for 2 drugs in the same family for blood pressure and was able to stop them from taking both medications which could have been fatal to them.
Thanks to the power of technology, the future looks bright for Canadian patients and healthcare professionals.
I think Prescribe It's the feature in our EMRs that we always needed but never received. All we need to do is take the first step and make it a part of our EMR, make it part of our work-life experience so that we can actually give better care to our patients.
Recently, Canada Health Infoway launched Access 2022, a movement to promote a future where all Canadians have access to their health information through the availability and use of digital health tools and services.
Access 2022 is a social movement aimed at creating awareness and driving awareness of the potential of digital health. And through this program, we really want to hit the imagination of all Canadians to see what is possible to do with digital tools to really improve healthcare delivery and their satisfaction with the system. We have a vision for Canadians that will see them having access to their health service digitally with their mobile devices, that they'll be able to book appointments, they'll be able to look at their results, they'll be able to do virtual visits with their doctors, and they'll be able to use their mobile phones for managing their health just like they do for managing their personal life with consumer activities.
To learn more about digital healthcare tools and services, please visit the websites below: infoway-inforoute.ca, prescribeit.ca, and access2022.ca.